With the vision of expanding the green cover of Himachal Pradesh, especially the barren and degraded hill slopes, Government of Himachal Pradesh launched Mukhyamantri Vana Vistar Yojana, a beacon of hope for vulnerable and eroded terrains of this hilly state. Nahan Forest Division implemented Model 2 under this scheme in its degraded forest patch with rocky and gravelly terrain of 20 hectares in Dadu Reserved Forest of Amta Beat in the monsoon of 2023-24. With the mission of transforming this patch of land into productive, thriving ecosystem, over 10,000 saplings were planted of more than 12 locally adaptable species. Boundary was demarcated, lantana was removed, and pits were dug to make the land ready for plantation. The initiative took root with the involvement of the local community, especially women, whose commitment to preserving their environment has been nothing short of inspiration. This plantation drive was led by Honorable MLA Shri Ajay Solanki ji. The site was also inspected by our worthy PCCF Shri Samir Rastogi sir. Over 60% of fruit-bearing trees like jamun, mango, amrud and dadu were planted on previously degraded land to promote sustainability and provide economic stability to local population. Soil and water conservation works were implemented to address the problem of erosion and to improve water retention in these critical areas. Staggered trenching and building check dams slowed down the flow of water, while choosing of species like bargad, peepal and ban oak helped in retaining the moisture.
इसकी सर्वाइवल परसेंटेज अभी लगभग 95% है। ये हमारे प्लांटेशन के बाद इसके 2 वर्ष कंप्लीट हो गए हैं और हमारे लोकल स्टाफ ने दिन रात मेहनत करके पर्टिकुलरली फायर सीजन में उसे आग से भी बचाया है, जिसके वजह से वहाँ अभी जो प्लांटेशन है वो ऑलमोस्ट एस्टैब्लिश हो चुका है। ये साइट का इंस्पेक्शन हमारे वर्दी PCCF ऑफ श्री समीर रस्तोगी जी ने भी किया था, जिसमें उन्होंने हमारे स्टाफ के कार्य की सराहना भी की और उस पर अपने कुछ वैल्यूएबल इनपुट्स भी दिए हैं, जिससे हम आगे के आने वाले समय में उनके आदेशों की अनुपालना करेंगे।
Lantana camara is a significant threat to this plantation. It is systematically removed through ongoing maintenance efforts which have yielded impressive results in supporting the growth and establishment of this plantation. Other maintenance efforts are also being done to protect this plantation. For example, a well-maintained boundary with barbed fencing and live fencing. Along with that, entry and exit gates are maintained in such a way that animals cannot graze inside this area unless permitted. Today, the transformation is clear to see. The Mukhyamantri Vana Vistar Yojana has not only contributed to the environmental restoration but also brought significant social impact. People are now more invested in the plantation efforts, benefiting from the collection of grasses for livestock. The moisture retention in the area has led to a good cheerpine regeneration. In future, the area offers opportunities for gathering fruits, well-established forest patches and ecotourism, providing sustainable livelihoods. Together, we have begun the process of transforming the land, empowering our communities and building a resilient, thriving future. This is the success of Mukhyamantri Vana Vistar Yojana in Nahan Division.